it's me, and I will be showing you how to make slime. So, just wait. So, I'm back, and so you're gonna, if you want a little bit of slime, you pour a little bit of shampoo. If you want a lot, you pour a lot. So, I'm gonna pour, I don't want a lot, so just want a little bit. So I'm gonna pour like that much. And then you wanna pour 1, 2, 3, 4. You wanna pour four drops of dial soap. And then if you could use food coloring if you want, but I don't have that, so I can't. And you're just gonna want something to mix with. So I'm mixing my stuff right now. It's very easy to make. And it smells so good though. So I mixed it, and there's how it looks. But I'll see you guys in 5 minutes because I'm going to go put it in the freezer for 9 minutes. So see you guys in 5 minutes. Bye. So I'm back from putting it in the freezer. So it's in the freezer, and I'll be back to tell you my other slime that I made. So let's get started. So this is how it looks. You see how it's like very thick? It's not done yet, but you see how it's like very thick and stuff and all. And I'll be back when I'm done putting this in the fridge. So I'm back, and I'm going to actually use the dial soap to wash my hands. And it is very easy to make slime. You can make it with shampoo and salt or shampoo and dial soap. That's the only 2 ways that I know. And you could also make it out of lotion only, but it has to be a kind of hand lotion. It got to be, let's see, this is body lotion. That's body lotion. I'll show you guys in my next video because I'll be back when I'm done drying my hands. So right now I'm done drying my hands, and I'll be back when I'm seeing what time is it, because I need to see what time is it. So because you're supposed to leave it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and I'm sure 5 minutes just passed. I'm here, and yes, it's done. This is the way it came out. So now I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, guys? So now I'm here, and that was how you make slime. Bye, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Bye, guys. See you next time.